I have one film that's releasing, which is a JP Datta film. Then there's another film that I've just signed, directed by a new director called Shiladitya Mole. And yeah, you'll get to know more about it because once I start shooting. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you. Archana Kochhar, I'm wearing. Oh my god, hi, how are you? Mwah. How's it going? How are you going? Hi, high five. How are you? Are they? Here, come on the other side.
Yeah, this way. Yes.
Okay, are you gonna answer questions too?
No.
No? Okay.
Answer them on their behalf. First of all, a very good evening and you're looking fab tonight.
Oh, thank you so much.
You are a fashion over. Start with who are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Archana Kochhar.
So your association with Smile Foundation, what made you come to this evening?
Actually, 2 Christmases ago, it was my first Christmas away from home. I didn't want to be sad that I was missing my own family. So I actually teamed up with Smile Foundation then and did something for the kids and brought school supplies and chocolates and pens and papers and stuff. So I've been associated with the Smile Foundation for some time now, so I'm happy to be back with them.
How fond of kids are you?
I love kids, like I really do. I'm a big kid at heart. I'm a dance teacher too. I've taught dance for many, many years. So I love kids, I really do. Very
Any
sweet.
celebrity have you met, you found them too cute?
Tom Cruise and Katie Holmes, Surrey, their daughter Surrey. Yeah, I used to play with her a lot in dance rehearsals when I was training Tom. Super wise little girl she is. She's a princess. She's one of my favorite celebrity kids. A biopic on a personality. I don't know, who do you see me doing a biopic on? Someone tough and strong, right? Who do I admire? I admire a lot of people. I actually haven't thought about who I do a biopic on, but that's a good idea. Thank you. Wait, you didn't answer a question.
No.
Wait, ask them a question. Ask them a question.
Is she looking beautiful?
Okay, what are you wearing?
Is she looking beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think I'm looking pretty? I think you guys are looking pretty. Thank you guys. Thank you, girls. Bye guys. See you. I can't hear you. I'm really glad to be associated with Smile Foundation, and I wrote a song which is all about women empowerment and girl child education. Women empowerment on the whole, basically. The song is called Ud Chali. So it is all about the power of women and the dreams that women dream of. So I am wearing Archana Kochhar's garment today, and I sang in the show. I had an act where I had a lot of kids with me, and we all sang and we danced. So it was beautiful, and yes, so it's really special to be a part of this event. And last time also I was here, so I hope that I keep coming back, and it's beautiful. It's absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah, Abuji, how are you?
I'm good. Hi everyone. How are you?
देखिए स्माइल फाउंडेशन गर्ल चाइल्ड के लिए बहुत कुछ करता है ना. वेरी हैप्पी कि मैं ऐसे फाउंडेशन के साथ एसोसिएट हुई हूँ थ्रू दिस कॉज, एंड आई एम रियली ग्लैड दैट अर्चना कोचर goes out of the way to bring something like this together. It was really nice walking with the kids. I've walked with them before, and I'm really happy to support this cause, and I continue to support this cause in many ways. And yes, and I'm wearing an Archana Kochhar, and this gown happens to be for auction today. So yeah, it was nice walking.
How fond
Thank
of
you.
kids are you?
I love kids, so I teach occasionally kids, street kids, and yeah, it's beautiful. I think they have more enthusiasm than anyone. They were more excited about walking, so that was nice seeing them.
That side. यहाँ पे
आ जाओ
ठीक है
Let's check. First of all, a very good evening, and you both are being wonderful friends.
Thank you. बहुत अच्छी बात है एंड हमेशा वो मुझसे अच्छी लगती है
That's so sweet.
On this fashion show, what made you guys come on this platform and support Smile Foundation?
What made? I think the fact that it is for the girl child, I think that was more than enough a cause to come ahead. And this being the first year for both of us to be associated with Smile Foundation, I think let this be a beginning with no end.
You like that something?
डेफिनेटली ये हमारा पहला साल है और हमारी कोशिश ये रहेगी कि हम हर साल ऐसे ही रहेंगे और ऐसे ही आते रहेंगे इन बच्चों के साथ
Devina, Gurmeet, how fond of kids are you in personal life?
Gurmeet is very fond of kids, and I still do not know how fond of kids because I appear a little more strict, key rules, regulations, and all the stuff. But Gurmeet is one to actually spoil
मेरी
the
बहुत
kids
अच्छी दोस्ती
crazy.
हो जाती है बच्चों के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा और क्रिकेट हो ये पहली ऐसे
देखो उसके साइड की बच्ची हंस रही है और ये दोनों कैसे गंभीर हुए खड़े हैं.
It's a for sure situation in future that Devina more money की तो she will be very strict and I think आप जो है बच्चों को बहुत पैम्पर करके सर पे चढ़ाने वाले हैं कुछ फ्यूचर में हम देखने वाले हैं.
हाँ मैं एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेफर करने वाला हूँ और देवीना है वो बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट रहती है तो हम लोग एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छे से बैलेंस
बैलेंस
करेंगे
कर
बच्चों
देते हैं.
हाँ जी
He's asking if you get a chance to act in someone's biopic, would it be?
बायोपिक ना देखिए
सोच रहा है.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ लेकिन एक्चुअली बहुत कुछ है एक्चुअली मैं तो ठीक है अगर पीटी उषा का बने तो देवीना को मैं चाहता हूँ क्या बोल रहे हैं
अगर आपको act
मैं भाग मिल्खा हो गया है तो अगर दोबारा अगर कुछ होगा तो ज़रूर मैं वो करूँगा
नहीं मैं बताती हूँ तुम करोगे बायोपिक ऑफ शरद चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय.
वाह मैं करूँगा
क्योंकि एटलीस्ट उस बहाने दुनिया को पता चलेगा शरद चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय की जो लिखे हुए जो किताब है जो सिर्फ बंगालीज तक सीमित है और उनको लेके जब दूसरे डायरेक्टर्स बनाते तभी पता चलता है एटलीस्ट उसी बहाने लोगों को पता चलेगा दैट इट इज़ नॉट ओनली रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर देयर आर many more great writers in Calcutta. One of them is Sharad Chandra Chattopadhyay.
थैंक यू